Good morning and welcome to Friday's maths lesson. Goodness me, I thought you'd be really sleepy this morning being Friday, but look at you, you're all sitting up, raring to go. Fabulous. Okay, we're going to kick off with our Learn It's this week, and if you fancy having a go at the big maths test today, it's on the website so you can have a look at that and get mom or dad to time you and see how many you can do. But let's practice first. Here you go, we've got double 5 is 10. Double 4, 8. Double 3, 6. Double 1, 2. Double 2, 4. 2 and 1, 3. 0 and what makes 10? 0 and 10. 1 and 9. 6 and 4, that's right. 3 and 7. 4 and 6, it's the other way around from 6 and 4, isn't it? 5 and 5, there you go, there's your double, got the light shining on there. 7 and 3, 2 and 8, 8 and 2, that's the switcher. 9 and 1, and 10 and 0, fabulous. So have a go at those if you want to on the big maths test today, and you'll find one of those on there ready for you to print off. Okay, so let's begin with a bit of counting to get our maths brains working. So we're going to start from 1 all the way up to 20 and back again. I'm going to use my ruler today to help me point. You ready? Steady, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. That was fast. Can we go back slowly? 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Brilliant. And of course there should be 0 on there, shouldn't there? Let's count along the green line and back again quickly. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Stop because that's how long it is. And back. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then 0. Let's count to the brown line. Let's have a look first of all, see what number it takes us to. It takes us to number 6. So we're going to count to number 6 and straight back again. Ready? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's try it without saying the number 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go, that's something to practice. Right, let's have a look at the blue line, and the blue line takes it up to number 12. So we'll count to 12 and then straight back again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Well done. So having a look at these lines, which one is longer? Well, I can see that the blue line, just between the brown and the blue, I can see that the blue line is longer than the brown one. So how much longer is it? Well, let's have a look. It's between 6 and 12 longer than the brown. So let's start at 6 and count on to 12 and back again. You ready? So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Which one is longer, the green line or the blue line? That's right, it's the green line. And if you look, the blue line starts at number 12, and well, it gets to number 12, doesn't it? The green line gets to number 17. So let's count from 12 to 17 and back again. You ready? So it's 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12. Well done. So, counting, that's going to help us a little bit today. So what are we learning today? Well, we're going to solve problems in length. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you a problem. Yesterday we had a little problem to solve because we had to make a tell for Roo. I don't know if you remember that, but today let's have a look at how to teach it. Well, here it is on the board. It says a green snake is 6 cubes long. A red snake is 4 cubes longer than the green snake. How long is the red snake? So that's a problem. It's a problem in words, okay? And I've got to solve it, but it's not like an adding number sentence or a subtraction number sentence. It's written in words, so it's a little bit more difficult to understand whether you're adding, whether you're subtracting, or what it is that you've got to do. So the first thing you've got to do is keep reading it. So I'm going to put that up there to remind you. You have to read the problem over again. So let's have another go at it. Okay, so I'm going to put it a bit closer so you can see it a bit better with me. So it says, okay, a green snake is 6 cubes long. A red snake is 4 cubes longer than the green snake. How long is the red snake? So what I've got to do now is identify, okay, there's a little man with a magnifying glass there. I've got to identify the important bits of information in there. Now there's quite a bit of important information there, so I'm going to underline it with my red pen. Okay, so the first thing I need to know is that, well, there's 2 snakes. There's a green snake and a red snake, so that's important. So I've got a green snake and a red snake. That's the important bits of information. The colours don't matter. The colours are just there to help you know which snake is which, but the colours aren't important, but then you need to know that there's 2 snakes. So the one snake, the green snake, is 6 cubes long. That's really important, so I'm going to put a ring around that. It's 6 cubes long. That's how long it is in length. But the red snake is 4 cubes, and it's not 4 cubes long, it's 4 cubes longer. So that's really important, so I'm going to put a ring around that. So we've got one at 6 cubes and we've got one at 4 cubes longer than the green snake. How long is the red snake? Okay, so what we've got to work out, we know how long the green snake is, but what we want to know is the answer is how long the red snake is. So that's important. So what I've done is identified my important bits of information. Now the next thing I have to do is to think. Okay, and here I am thinking. I've got to think. There I am. I'm thinking about how am I going to work it out. Well, there's lots and lots of different things you can use to work it out. So I'm going to show you, okay? I'm going to show you which ones you could use. So first of all, you could do a drawing. So let's have a little look at this method. I'll just get myself a pen. I think I'll use that one. Okay, so I've drawn my green snake. And I've drawn my red snake, and I've drawn it longer because I know that my red snake is longer than my green snake. So there are my snakes. I know already, looking at my information here, I know that the green snake is 6 cubes long. So I'm going to put 6 because I know that that one is 6 cubes long. This one is 6 cubes long and a bit more, and a bit more. Oh, I know then, if I'm making it more, it must be an add, because I'm 6 cubes long and 4 more. So that's one way I could work out what it is. I wonder, we know what 6 and 4 is, it's one of our learning. 6 and 4 equals 10. So I am thinking that my red snake must be 10 cubes long. Okay? Another way of doing it. Well, I'm lucky, pen there, I've got some cubes. So I could say, well, here is my green snake. My green snake is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes long. My green snake is the same 6 cubes, but it's 4 more. So I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 extra cubes there. I push them together. I can see that I've got my green snake of 6 cubes and my red snake of 6 cubes and 4 more. So all I need to do now is count how long the red snake is. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, which actually 10 cubes, so that actually matches that. And remember, I should write cubes there, shouldn't I, because I'm measuring in cubes today. Let's find it out in another way. Let's try a bar model. Okay, so if this is my green snake, how long was my green snake? That's right, it was 6 cubes long. And this then is my red snake. So my red snake is the same 6 cubes, but it had an extra 4 cubes. So all together, that is how long the red snake is. And 6 and 4 together makes 10. So again, I'm agreeing that it's 10 cubes long. Another way I could choose to do it is by using a number line. So here's my number line here. I'll get a little bit closer, you can see it. So I know that the green snake is 6 cubes long. And then the red snake is 6 cubes and 4 more. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is how long my snake is. So let's work out what that number is. So we've got 6, so that must be 7, 8, 9, and there it is, it's 10 again. So I've used different ways to solve word problems. So your job today is to solve some problems. Okay, let's have another practice, because that is quite tricky. Let me put choose up there, because choose just means you can choose your different ways of working it out. So let's have a little practice. So I'll get rid of that one, because this is a different question. And this one is different. It says, a pink balloon has a string which is 4 cubes long. The red balloon has a string which is 5 cubes long. How long is the string altogether? So do you remember the first thing that we've got to do is read it again. A pink balloon has a string which is 4 cubes long. The red balloon has a string which is 5 cubes long. How long is the string altogether? Now, I've got to identify there. I've got to identify my important bits of information. So today, in this question, the pink balloon is a string which is 4 cubes long. So I know that the pink balloon is 4 cubes. The red balloon has a string which is 5 cubes long. How long is the string all together? Now I've heard that word before when I'm talking about adding, haven't I? So I know I've got to add up how long the strings are all together. And in my boxes here, I've got different methods of doing it. So I'm thinking about the question. I've thought that it's going to be an add, and I'm going to choose which way I'm going to record it. Well, let's have a go at all of those. The pink balloon is 4, the red balloon is 5. The altogether, if I'm looking at the part whole model, is the total. So that's the big number, so that's going to go in the top. So I've got 4 in there, 5 in there. And so I've got to work out how much that is all together. So what is 4 and 5? 4 and 5 makes 9. Okay, another way of doing it. Here's my pink balloon. It's 4 cubes long. 1, 2, 3, 4. The red balloon is 5 cubes. So I've got to add on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that 9 is my answer. I could use a tens frame. So what the pink balloon is 1, 2, 3, 4 cubes, and the red balloon is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many is that all together? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And don't forget 9 cubes. Okay, if I was using rulers, it would be 9 rulers long, or if I was using pencils, it would be 9 pencils, or if I was measuring with a ruler, it would be centimetres, so 9 centimetres. So don't forget to write your unit of measurement on there. Right, so you have got some tasks to do. Now, they're all different. They're not the same questions as I've got. You might be adding, you might not be, you might be doing some drawing. So remember, you've got to read that question and then decide what you're going to do. So that some of the the do-its we've got, sorry, not draw-its, that's a different activity altogether, isn't it? Some of the do-its, they're on the website. If you want to print them off, you can, but you don't have to at all. So you can just draw them onto paper if you like, but they are on there for you to read the questions. So we've got one there, which is a drawing one. We've got another one which is similar to the one that I've just shown you with number lines and tens frames. And then we've got another one there which is a different one again, just a different type of word problem. So you can do all of them or one of them. It's up to you. Okay, and that's it. Also on there, if you've enjoyed doing those, there are some securits as well, just to if you fancy a challenge today. So good luck with those, and good thinking. Remember, read the question lots of times, identify the important bits of information in there, think about what does it mean. Is it an add, is it a subtract, and then choose whatever you're going to use to work it out and to get the answer. Remember, the working out is for you. The answer is what we need to know. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Good maths.